Hi everyone. Many students find it challenging to grasp topics when they only read textbooks or watch passive videos. Learning often ends up being a solitary experience. A lot of students study alone, and there's no straightforward way to collaborate or visually explore concepts together in real time. Additionally, most learning tools are either too complex or not interactive enough for beginners. That's why I created Collab Canvas. I envisioned a single space where students can learn together, visualize ideas, and ask questions all in one place. Collab Canvas is a real time collaborative learning platform where students can learn through drawing, discussion, and interaction. I've organized this into three parts: drawing, editing, and learning. In the drawing section, we can utilize various types of drawing elements. For instance, if we're going to draw a graph, we can use a pencil. When solving math problems, we can use different shapes and also have the option to use a text box for writing. For example, if I want to write something specific like Python, I can do that. I've also included editing functions like an eraser and a clear all option. For instance, I can use the eraser here. And if we choose to clear all, it will erase all the drawings and writings we've made. The most significant addition to this project is the learning part, which consists of three sections: concept block, tutor AI, and the question and answer boards. In the concept block, for example, if we're discussing a particular topic, we can add a concept block to write down the concept, name, and explain it. I've also added tutor AI, where we can ask questions that come to mind and receive an AI-generated responses. Additionally, I've included an answer and question board. For example, if someone is explaining a topic or subject, during the conversation, we can jot down questions and another person can write the answers. For instance, I can ask, "What is computer science?" and post it here. Other users who are in this live room can participate. I've also added the ability to share a room link. If a student has the link to a particular room, they will have access to all the drawings and discussions happening there. I've opened the same test room in another tab. You can see it's visible in the second tab. In the first tab, I've drawn graphs and added a concept block, which are also visible in the other tab. If a candidate has the room link, they can access all the ongoing discussions. They will receive all the questions and AI-generated tutorial responses along with the concept blocks. For example, in the first tab, I asked, "What is computer science?" So here, they can also provide answers if they have a response in mind. This project addresses the challenges many students face. Another feature I've added is the ability to export the canvas. This will export the content in PNG format for further discussion. For instance, after discussing a graph or concept name, we can automatically download it. I've downloaded it and will now open it. Here it is. It displays the discussion and